Welcome to my pirate Lego review. Pirate.
Pose.
Today's set is Whitecap Bay. Pirate. So, see? See her? She has this seaweed whip, and see?
And she's got a mad face on the back?
Yeah.
That's the mad face?
Yeah, that's the mad face. So now the other mermaid.
Okay.
And see the back and this part? This is a pirate goon. See?
Yeah.
See?
What is that? Holster?
Yeah.
Goes over his shoulder?
Yeah. We have 3 more characters.
Who's that?
Captain Jack. See? It's
Yeah.
not attached to his hand, and you can hold it. Cause it's the same kind of swords the other guys have.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Excuse me too. Who's next is the human, Philip. Yeah. His name is Philip. Pirate. Philip?
He's just some guy.
Yeah.
And who's the best character, you think?
See?
Who's that?
Look at the boxes.
Pirate. Oh.
His name is Pirate. And see?
What do you call him?
The boss. My favorite part is this skeleton. It's my new favorite part.
He has a skeleton tattooed on the back of his head?
Yeah.
Serious business. Is he a beast?
Maybe. Pirate.
Where's the boss?
Here. And he is trying to jump off, trying to go into water and catch the mermaids.
What freezes the mermaids?
The light.
You see that?
Yeah.
What's on the front? Is there a little Lego magnifying glass?
Yeah.
It focuses that light so the mermaids get frozen.
Yeah, and it makes it a circle always.
Yeah.
If that wasn't on, then it wouldn't make it a circle always. Now they're gonna put them in the boat and bring them to the castle and try to shoot them with the cannon. It'll break it and then it's gonna shoot them.
Oh my good golly. Alright, so let's get this net over here and see if we can snag one. Looky here. I got one. And she would probably have her mad face on after that. Once you snag them, they get ugly.
Yeah, they get ugly.
Get in there, mermaid. And what's going to happen to this mermaid when she tries to rescue her friend? What's coming out of those doors?
This big barboo.
Oh yeah, net cannon. Ooh, took a hit. But what if someone attacks this tower?
Then the goons could fix it.
But what about when it breaks? But wait. Oh yeah, other side.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome.
And let me show this little trap over here too.
Watch.
That doesn't always work so good. So what do you think? This set is really fun?
Yeah.
Would you recommend other kids buy it?
Yeah.
How much do you like it? Is that a lot?
I love it. 100,000.
Ooh! And who brought it for you?
Santa Claus. Yeah, he made the sets and he made the stickers and he made the box and put it in, and then he put it in our house gently, all of them so gently, and he walked so gently and he was so quiet so we couldn't hear. Thank you, Santa.
Arr.
Arr.
The leaves to the tree and the tree to the roots and the roots to the ground and the ground to the sky, sky to the smoke that I blow up high. Got the idea, now show her how to fly.
And guess what? The light, that light, that is the first piece we got, and my grandma and grandpa have that piece.
They have that piece for the alien set, right? Maybe we should get that.
That set, so we have 2.
Ooh.
And we can make cool stuff symmetrical with those pieces.
If you have 2, you can make it symmetrical, right? Alright, let's think about doing that, huh?
But if you want to make it symmetrical with one, you have to put it in the middle, right?
Yeah, that's right. Alright.